So welcome to Canva tutorial. You can see there is a dashboard open. So to go to this dashboard, first of all, you have to create an account if you don't have. Go to www.canva.com, and as you make a new account on Gmail or any other tool, you have to sign up. Number one step is to sign up with your email ID. You will get a confirmation email in your inbox. Then you have to accept that invitation and you log in again with your new ID and the password, right? That is how you create your account on Canva. As simple as creating any account on any of the tools. Now, once you create your account, you log in, you come to this dashboard. So the screen which you are seeing is already, since we are working, this is already logged in. So you can see there is a button called create a design on the right hand side. You can see here. So click on this button and it will ask you what you want to do. So you can see there are a number of options, right? So let's say we have suggested you to create a post, which is Instagram post, and the size you can see is here mentioned as 1080 into 1080 pixel. So you can choose this, or you can do a customized size of your own choice. That definitely you're going to learn, but here we are just going to tell you the simplest way to create a design. So select this Instagram post, right? The moment you select it, a new window would be opened, and you can see the left hand pane. These are a lot of things are shown here: template, elements, uploads, text, photos, styles, audio, video, background, so many things are there. On the central screen, you see there is a blank page open. Now let's say you want to create a poster which is related to, let's say today is 5th of September and it's Teachers Day. So what you are going to do is that select this template and search. I'm just, for the sake of example, I'm talking about Teachers Day. So you can see there are options coming here: Teachers Day, Instagram post, and there are a number of templates, ready-made templates I would say are here. So select any of the templates which you like. Let's say I like this one. I just click it here, it will appear here. Now you can see amongst the template there are a number of elements, and these all elements are editable. So let's say Happy Teachers Day, it is written here, and something, the website name is written here, some graphic elements are here, and the entire page is blank for you to do whatever you want. Now let's say, as I suggested, you have to put your logo. So you have to create your logo if you have already, or you can create logo here as well, and that you have to upload. So let's say I've already uploaded my logo here, so you don't need to do anything. You just go and select the logo which you have kept somewhere. It is already uploaded. So my logo is here. So I can resize this logo. You can just drop, drag, and resize it. So once it is done, so your logo is in place, right? Now if you want to add, let's say, your website name or something like that, as we have already suggested you, so you can put here. Just click in and edit here. Let's say I'm talking about let's say I'm putting my Insta handle, right? The Business Utopia, correct? Teachers Day. Now if you want to add some other elements, let's say you want, because you want to change the background color or something. As of now it is white, so you have selected this entire template. Go to this color template, background color it is saying, and if you want to, let's say, choose a color, now this is yellow. Now you have a library of color options here. You can choose any of the colors you want, any color, whatever color you choose, it will be there. So this particular tool is a very good tool. As you can see, I have added my logo, right? I have added a background color. I can do the editing. Let's say Happy Teachers Day, I want to put it here in this font. So Happy Teachers Day, right? So you can remove this element if you want, or you can, if you want to add some other element. Let's say I remove this and I want to add some other kind of a text. So I click on text right? Now there are a number of options coming here as a text. So if you want to create a headline or you want a subheading, just click it here. There would be a pop-up box here and you can just type it here. Teachers, we love our gurus. Let's say this is just for the sake of giving an example that what all things you can do. You can position yourself, position this text and elements based on your choice. So make it very clear, make it very readable and appealing, right? So here you can see this image is already talking about a teacher teaching a student, right? So it is relevant to the context. Now if you want to add some CTA, we have talked about putting in a call to action button as well, right? So you can just put it here like go to the elements, or you can just type in text. Let's say you want to say learn more, so just go to this template. You can select any of this. Let's say I say learn more, and this learn more is put here. That's it, all done. So after doing this, you have to download this. So go to this share button on the right hand side. You can see there is a button called share. Click on this share button, and here there is a button called download. So since it is an image, you download it in PNG. So there are a number of options again given here in what format you want to download this. So PNG, select PNG and then download it. So this downloaded image would be there in your download folder and you are done, right? So you can see my screen, it is already downloaded, and once it is downloaded you can just open it up and see what kind of a graphics you have created, right? So this is the graphic which you have created just now. It hardly took 2 to 3 minutes because I was explaining you, else this is just as simple as making anything. The creativity part you can definitely do slowly and steadily as and when you move on, right? So this is what is done and you are done with this. So now I'll give you a link to this particular template as well. I'll share that in my content as well, wherein you can just click it and go. So there are a number of options once you start doing it, or even if you want to learn the high-end editing or high-end creation of or high-end use of this particular Canva, you have to buy a pro version of it, right? So Canva gives you flexibility either to go for a free version or with a paid version. So the free version will obviously have certain limitations. Otherwise, the paid version has all those things like removing the background and other things. Since we are using a paid version, I'll just show you another thing. Let's say I upload one image. Let's say I upload my image. So this is one of my images, and you see this image is already taken somewhere outside the house, but I don't like this background because it's already not proper, not looking professional. So what I'll do, I can go to the image and I can remove the background. So there is a background remover tool inbuilt in the pro version. So you click on this background remover tool and you'll see that the background is automatically removed. So this particular paid version of this tool gives you this feature, right? Now you can see all this background have been removed. Now you can position this. You can position anywhere you want images, or you can put it on the background. So you can click it here and you can say send to back. So this image will be going behind the text which you have written, right? And you can position it, right? You can see this is now behind the text. Text comes in front and the image has already gone behind. You can change that position, you can change the transparency. Let's say I reduce the transparency so that my text is visible clearly, right? So you can see my image, but it is little hazy. That we have made. We have reduced the transparency, that is why. Now you can, that way. You can do all those things. So there are a number of things which you can do. Primarily thing is to start creating those graphics which we have told you, and this is as simple as I told you. So that's it. So I'll share the template as well and you are good to go. So this is all about the Canva tutorial. Looking forward to the next tutorial which we are going to talk about in creating a video and editing it. Okay, see you then.